Alright guys, it has happened. Muslim youth have begun destroying properties and shops belonging to non-Muslims, especially the Igbos. They began destroying and nobody is holding them back. Nobody is checkmating them. Nobody is stopping them. It's as if this thing was all planned out. It was all planned out. Of course, everybody knows that such a time like this will come. This thing has been scheduled to happen. It's just that they were only holding it down. They were holding it down, and now they eventually let it out today. And this happened after a protest, a massive protest was launched today against the Sultan of Sokoto, after the Sultan condemned the killing of Deborah Yakubu and subsequently ordered for the arrests of the killers of Deborah. Now, of course, you know what transpired today. They launched a massive protest that actually saw the Sultan temporarily escaping from the palace because this guy overran the palace. The orderlies, security protocol were able to take the Sultan out while these guys had a field day ransacking everything. And now one will ask, what has the death of Deborah? They've already killed this lady. And now the killers of Deborah were arrested. And these people are coming out to demand the release of the killers of Deborah. Tambuwal himself is a Muslim, but these are enlightened Muslims. These guys know they are trying to fit the North with the mainstream societies of the world. The world has gone beyond religion. But you see, these guys have not gone beyond. And I think the reason why you see this thing happen at the slightest provocation, this Muslim youth who began destroying properties of Easterners, Southwest people, and non-Muslim, is that it is what they've always trained them to do. It is what they have been using them to do. You can imagine entering into a shop of somebody who have used pain to stock his shop up to this, and they look at what these guys are doing, ransacking these shops, and these are amajiri. These are just amajiri, ordinary amajiri. Now tell me why those people agitating for the division of this country, tell me why they are not right. Yes, of course, they are right. They have the reason, because we cannot be one. You cannot be doing this and they say we are one. No, that oneness is not there. It's not there. Normally, in a situation like what the police would have done, the police would have been sent to guard the properties of the Easterners. But you see,